this island bound. Same thing that upset the guy's stomach in the first.
Is that my toothbrush?
Nice thing to float with a stinky lake. Woo-hoo.
Scrunch my face like this.
You're not here to learn how to touch.
Right! I don't get it. That always works with pickle jars.
Out of my way. I got this.